Hey everyone, this is Byron and welcome to the Stock Master Show. You can see my little worksheet here. I've been trying to find stocks yesterday and I found two stocks for you. And I came out with a video. The first one was NXT. N is in Nancy, X is in the X-ray, T is in Tom. Guess what? The stocks went up again, up 6 points. The NXT went up 6 points. So I'm like 151 out of 150 towards getting stocks correct. I'm the best in the world. First of all, before I go any further, please like, subscribe, and share my video so my videos can get to you so you can make money in the stock market. My second pick was D as in dog, C as in Charles, O as in out. That stock went up as well. Only 25 cents, but it went up. So today is 5/14/2026. I'm going to have another hot stock for you tonight. Yes, I'm going to have another hot stock for you tonight, coming from the Stock Master. And definitely leave comments and your opinion on my videos so I can contact you. You can FaceTime me, Byron Banks, or you can email me. I'm making a lot of money for a lot of people, especially I made a lot of money off of which stock? It was one of my other stocks. I made like $10,000 for them today. I made quite a few bucks for myself as well. But today, let's look and see what's going on in the stock market. Let's look at some of these companies and see what's going on today. Okay, this is what happened in the stock market today. This is the closing market summary. Okay, sustained enthusiasm across the AI trade sent the S&P 500 plus 8% and Nasdaq Composite plus 9% to fresh record highs again today, while the Dow Jones reclaimed and closed above 50,000. That's a pretty hefty mark. There was relatively firmer participation across the broader market today, which helped the Dow Jones keep pace with the other major indices, but its gain is also largely due to an impressive post-earnings rally from Cisco. So Cisco did pretty good today, and that's a technology sector. So technology did pretty good. The world's largest company by market capitalization, Nvidian, did pretty good. Plus 0.992. So whoever have Nvidian, I recommended that yesterday, and that's doing pretty good as well. Also posted a solid gain today and leaves it on the doorstep of a double-digit gain for the week. And there's a lot more that needs to be said, but I'm going to end it right there. So Cisco did pretty good today. And Nvidian. Technology is rolling right now. So think about that when you come to finding a stock to invest in. Technology is doing really good and energy is doing well also. My two stocks went up, the ones I just gave you. Let me get the sheet here. Don't forget, they did pretty good today. Again, NXT and DCO. They did pretty good. But I'm going to have another hot stock for you a little bit later on today. I had to lay down my little worksheet right there. And I'm going to have some more information on the stock market coming into Friday, the final day of the week, tomorrow. And then Saturday and Sunday, the market is closed. Okay, and don't forget to watch some of my other videos to teach you how to invest and what to look for before you put your money in the stock market, before you buy your first stock. Step by step, beginning to end, from getting the online brokerage account to ACH the money to that online brokerage account. Don't wire it because wiring costs money. Although it's a safe way to get there when you wire your money, but just ACH it. And I think that's free towards getting your money to that online brokerage account. That's another helpful hint when it comes to the stock market. And don't forget to ask questions before you pick your brokerage account or your brokerage firm. Because some people charge fees and you don't want that. They charge fees for your index funds, your ETFs, and they don't give margins, and they charge fees to buy and sell each stock, and that can add up. You gotta believe me, that can add up. So make sure you ask your questions before you get that online brokerage account. Right now, I'm taking a small look at CNBC to see what they're talking about when it comes to the stock market, like what's going on between Iran and the United States, the oil prices and things like that. I try to be very informative, but I try not to talk your ear off. So let's take a look and see what's going on today on 5/14/2026 in the stock market.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Stock Market Today for Thursday, May 14th. It's Alyssa Corum here. And the bull market continues to strengthen, and the Dow Jones crossing a key round number in the stock market today. Joining me now to discuss
50,000, the round
action of
number.
today's session and a couple of stocks to watch is my colleague, Ken Shreve. Ken, what do you
Hey,
have for
Ken.
us today?
Yeah, Ali, it seems like it's been a little while since the Dow Jones has kept pace with the Nasdaq and S&P 500, but
Oh,
it did
yes.
so today. So let's take a look at Goldman Sachs in the blue chip index. It made a nice little move today. Also want to take a look at some security software stocks that were on the move today. So let's take a look at CrowdStrike, and then these tankers have been moving. They've been tough to handle, but let's take a look at Scorpio Tankers, STNG.
Take a
Sounds
look
like
at
plan,
it. It's a
Ken.
good stock.
We will do that. But first, let's
STNG.
take a look at those major indexes. More green on the screen today with the NASDAQ up 0.9% to take the lead. Meanwhile, the Dow and the S&P both up about 0.75% apiece.
They both went up.
500 closing just above 7,500, and the Dow, as mentioned, above a key round number of its own, 50,000.
50,000.
Get your hats out.
The Dow Jones over 50.
That round number for the Dow here, not quite at all-time highs, but a nice gain today here, Ken.
Yeah, I was back home in Pennsylvania just recently visiting my parents and my dad. My dad was telling me not to age my parents, but my dad used to drive around in his Volkswagen Bug and used to listen on the radio saying the Dow hit 1,000.
That's right. Yeah, like I said before, Cisco Systems earnings came out. They're doing very well, and Nvidia. And my friend is going to reiterate that right there. Those two stocks are doing very well. But I want to hear what he has to say about that.
Systems big earnings report late Wednesday.
Cisco Systems.
13% mover today. Another big gainer. Nvidia, multiple days in a row ahead of its earnings report next week. Another big day for chip stocks. We've been talking about the outperformance for semiconductor stocks, but yeah. So in the Dow, it had been a lagging index.
Cisco Systems and Nvidia. Make sure you write that down. Those are some good stocks to invest in. Cisco Systems and Nvidia.
For the Dow today, but good to see the index, blue chip index, pop above that 50,000 level today. So yeah, pretty good day for the Dow, and the broad market just more of the same. Just no sellers around anywhere.
Like I said before, Cisco Systems is a tongue twister, and Nvidia, two quality stocks. But tonight I'm gonna have another hot stock for you. Hopefully, I'm still doing my research. I'm going through all this paperwork with all kind. I'm doing it 24 hours a day. I'll be studying the stock market. But I'm gonna have another video to show you exactly what stocks I pick later on tonight. Right now, I got a couple of hours to do it. It's only 5 in the evening in Chicago, so I'm about to put in some work to figure out what stocks I want to give you tonight to make sure you make money starting tomorrow and the beginning of next week. But right now, please like, subscribe, and share my video because I'm trying to be very informative to let you know what's going on in the stock market every single day. If you have any questions, please give me your opinion and comments. And please, like I said, you got 3 ways to contact me. And always, I love ending my videos with this. Remember the 3 rules. Don't get greedy. Buy low, sell high. And timing is everything when it comes to a stock. And you will make some money in the stock market. But I should have a hot stock for you. I'm going to do all the leg work. And that's why I need you to hit that bell button and subscribe to my videos so my videos can get to you immediately if you want to get this free money that I'm giving you in the stock market. I'm the best in the world at this. I'm like 100 and look at all my videos. I'm 150 out of 151 towards getting stocks right. I'm making a lot of money for like 45 different families. Let me make money for you. This is Byron, the Stock Master, and I talk to you on my next video. Bye-bye.